All right, guys, here we go. Thursday, keep wanting to say Wednesday, Thursday, March 23rd. Taking a look at the chart of AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. Looks 2 minute chart up here. This each candle's 2 minutes of price section. Got our support in here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna raise this up to that low pivot there. So really, we're trading in this range resistance where the red dash line is, because see, we couldn't get over it in all this area, and you can travel over. Yeah, high pivot here, reject it down, and yeah, we've come up here and trying to get over that. But what we're looking at is possibly more of a pullback today. This is the daily chart. We're extended, pretty good. Well, actually, well above the 20. And you want to be selling up here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put that red line at the high of yesterday, kind of a reference for our eye to see when we go back to the 2 minute chart. And we had all this sell off yesterday, and we're thinking, you know, and we could be honestly completely wrong. Oh wow, that's way over here. Side pivot there. I tell you what, if this turns red, we're gonna go ahead and short it right there. Just simply because of this location across here, at least temporarily, it seems to be resistance, and we're taking that now. And a little bit of sell off at the top. Have a back. We still have a minute to go, so anything can happen. As we push up, we'll take another short position because we didn't get any follow through. Normally, these big green candles, you get follow through to the upside, unless, and you got to think like a chess match, up, two down, and then one up breakout like that. So if this candle currently, we might have to get out pretty quick, but the current candle, if it closes right about where it is now or so, like even right in here, now we're kind of past that location. But if it had closed in the upper range of, like right in here, that's a two down. So you have this green up, two down, and then high odds, high percentage, you get a breakout, two down, one up. And that's where we would. But we got in a little early. Sometimes you gotta, but we had more resistance locations up here than we did. If we didn't have any resistance here, if we were cleared all that, then probably would have been see, we're back down to this support. Oh man, I should have got out down there. See, when it pivots, let's see if we can get through that blue dash line. That'd be great. And if we can, then the next area for this pivot over here. See how we wicked into it, that pivot. You got to know these high pivots at the top as it runs up, and then low pivot. See right here, low pivot 180 to the upside. Tell you what, I don't want to lose $400. I might just go ahead and get out. Oh man, tell you what, I'm not gonna get greedy. Well, I might have to. Hold on, man. Now, man. Okay, we're gonna go get out 450. Okay, we'll see what happens. If that was a right move or stupid move. But anyway, talking about those pivots. See, is we came down, came up, down, pivot. That's where we closed actually yesterday. So we have all this gap from here to here on the chart. So yeah, previous resistance, a lot of times as you come back up, will be resistance until you can clear it with something like this, maybe a, you know, potential W formation is, this leg comes back in higher lows. So you have a low, higher low, and then you go, and then you form your W from there. But see through here, we had pretty decent odds in this area. It couldn't get through, and then this little area here, as you ran up, down. Then of course, got through it, then crashed down. This is a great low pivot here. Absolutely. And see, I guess that might have been just a little head fake and then coming back in. So we probably could have done better, but you got to be, in and out on these little quick scalp trades, day trades, whatever you want to call them. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. So go ahead and get off the toilet, go back, get to work. I'm sure your supervisor is looking for you, and we will see you on the charts.